Chapter 12 Money. Hello students, welcome to your math e-learning class. Today we are going to learn a very important and practical chapter called money. We use money every day to buy things, to save, and to pay bills. So let's understand how money works in our daily life. Part 1. What is money? Money is used to buy goods, to pay for services, to save for the future. Money can be in different forms, such as coins, paper notes, or digital money. The symbol of the Indian rupee is rupee. Rupees and paise. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Conversions: rupees to paise multiply by 100. Paise to rupees divide by 100. Examples: 8 rupees is equal to 8 into 100 paise is equal to 800 paise. 80 paise is equal to 0.80 rupees. Part 2. Operations with money. Addition of money. To add money, write rupees under rupees, write paise under paise, and add carefully. Example: 10.35 rupees plus 76.75 rupees plus 45.25 rupees is equal to 132 rupees 35 paise. Subtraction of money. To subtract money, borrow when needed. Subtract paise first, then rupees. Example: 140 rupees 50 paise minus 67 rupees 85 paise is equal to 72 rupees 65 paise. Multiplication and division of money. Money can also be multiplied and divided just like numbers. Examples: 78 rupees 5 paise into 9 is equal to 702 rupees 45 paise. 439 rupees 94 paise divided by 6 is equal to 73 rupees 24 paise. Part 3. Cost price and selling price. Cost price, CP, is the price at which an item is bought. Selling price, SP, is the price at which an item is sold. Sometimes extra money is spent on transport, repair, or packing. These extra costs are called overhead charges. Part 4. Profit and loss. We compare cost price and selling price to find profit or loss. Profit. If SP is greater than CP, there is profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Loss. If SP is less than CP, there is loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Example: CP is equal to 545 rupees. SP is equal to 630 rupees. Profit is equal to 85 rupees. Part 5. Profit and loss percentage. Sometimes profit or loss is shown as a percentage. Profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss divided by CP into 100. This helps us compare gains and losses easily. Part 6. Bills. A bill is a document that shows items bought, quantity, rate, and total amount. A bill helps us to check prices, to avoid mistakes, to keep records. Bills are used in shops, markets, and supermarkets. Real life example. When Ravi goes to the market with rupees 100 and buys fruits, biscuits, and a toffee, he learns how to spend wisely, calculate balance, and save money. Money skills are useful for life. Quick recap. Today, we learnt about what money is, rupees and paise, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, cost price and selling price, profit and loss, bills and daily transactions. Excellent learning today. Final closing, warm and encouraging. Well done, students. Now you understand how to use money wisely. Always remember to spend carefully, save regularly, and be honest in buying and selling. Math helps us become smart in real life. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!